You're welcome. I'll be walking you through how to use VGplace.com and get your services met. Now, it is first of all, I want you to know that you can use our product at any time of the day, any day of the week, and the service is instant. And of course, on any of the products you use, you have great discounts. It's also important to note that if you choose or if you want to be a vendor, you can always be a vendor. There's a provision for that. So let us go right away. We recommend that you use Google Chrome browser. Now you will type in the URL on the URL bar, which is vtuplace.com. I have a shortcut here so you can see it moving. Now also please take note that it is 100% free to register on the portal. Now if once you're fully registered, you want to click the login button to access your account. So you click the login button. Once you've logged in, you enter the phone number you used to create the account. This is a sample phone number. Once you're through with the login, you click on the login button. It will take you to the dashboard. When you create an account, all the things you need to know is that your email will be sent automatically to your password rather will be sent automatically to your email address. Now, if you forget your password for any reason, you can always click on forgot password. That being said, let us click on login. I need to be sure that, okay, good. So we are in. This is the dashboard. First of all, one of the things you first notice is a balance here. It says 22 naira. So you need to know how to fund your account. Walk you through everything, but very fast. Now you see the information is already written here, how to fund your account, so you can go through it on your own. Also, you can download the mobile app from here or from the home page. You can see to download the mobile app under the other info. So let us quickly go through. Now click on the menu, which is these three lines rather, on the upper right corner of the screen. So click on it, click fund account. It takes you to the page where you can fund the account. There are two ways of funding the account. This is the instant funding, which is online payment that you use your ATM card. It is very secured. And then the other one is cash transfer. Now when using the cash transfer option, ensure that payment is made into this account and then enter the amount you paid and then the details, which is your name, the bank, and the mode of payment you use, and click on send payment notification. Ensure to send this notification once, and once you're done with that, your account will be credited as soon as your payment is confirmed. The first means of payment is instant. That is immediately you through with the payment procedure, your account gets credited instantly. So now let us look at the other function on our system. You can recharge your phone line, that is with airtime. So you click on the airtime top up, it takes you to the page where you do that. Then one of the things you should ensure to do is that make sure you are typing in the correct phone number. Okay, select the correct network, enter the amount, and then you click go. It will open up. I'm sure it's the network. Let's just wait a bit to see. Okay, so now it's opening. So you enter the phone number here, select the network, enter the amount, and click on recharge. That's all. Now data top up, two ways: MTN SME, which is of course the cheap MTN data. Just enter the phone number, select the bundle size, and say send data. 1 gig goes for 540. The good news is that we keep reducing discounts. Rather, we keep on reducing the prices of services just to make sure that you have the best of our services. All right. So now, if you want to top up any of the other networks, you click on Data Bundles All. Then you select the network, MTN 9 Mobile. Let's just take Airtel for example. Select on Airtel. Select Data Bundle. Select the one that is of your choice. Here you can see discounts: 11 gig 3,959, 15 gig 4,949, the likes. Enter the correct phone number and click on send data. So let's go to cable TV subscriptions. Let's take DSTV for example. We have StarTimes and GoTV, but let's take DSTV for example. Enter the correct smart card number and then select on the bouquet. Okay, then click on recharge, and it will confirm as long as you enter the correct smart card number. You see the name. If it's the correct name, of course, then click on recharge and you get it done instantly. And for electricity, you select the disco you're paying for. Services: Ikeja, Ibadan, Port Harcourt, Enugu, Kano, and Abuja. Then you enter the meter number and select the meter type, prepaid or postpaid. Verify the meter first if it's correct. If it's correct, the name that comes out is correct, then you can go ahead and recharge it. Ensure to enter the correct meter number. Then you can do bulk SMS. Bulk SMS just means sending the same messages to hundreds of numbers. Okay. Here you can use a customized name, but make sure you're not using a registered name. Alright. And then enter the phone numbers here. Message, select the route, and then click on send. Okay. You can also get your WAEC pin here. You can get your WAEC pin. Just click on place order, and then you get it done. And then you can transfer from this wallet to another person's wallet if you want. The API is also available if you want to incorporate this on your website. You can change your password, and then finally you can log out. Now let me also show you why we log out. Like I said about the mobile app, you can also download the mobile app from the home page. Now as we log out, it takes us back to the home page. So you just scroll up here, you can see click here to download mobile app. Once you click it, it takes you to the page where you can download the mobile app. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day. God bless you.